Already for the fourth year in the row, Freestyle Personal Watercraft Association hosted the spring round of the 2019 P1 Racing Fuels US Freestyle Championship in the Bridgewater channel of Lake Havasu City, Arizona, home of the world-famous London Bridge. Record-breaking 24 freestyle competitors from California, Arizona, Nevada, Idaho, Oklahoma, Virginia and Alaska took part in the event, which is also qualifier for the IJSBA World Finals. In junior freestyle class, third finished Vanessa Jones from Reno, Nevada on Yamaha Superjet powered by Yamaha. Second finished Julian Boomer from Lake Havasu City, Arizona on Dessa Racing powered Richter Ninja X by Rickroy Products. First finish also local rider from Lake Havasu City, Arizona, Coy Curtis on his Richter Ninja X by Rickroy Products, powered by Dessa Racing. In freestyle beginner class, third finish Vaughn Berry from Coeur d'Alene, Idaho on DBX powered by Team Extreme. Second finish Neil Smith from Clayton, California on Engine Tech powered Phantom by California Freestyle. And win took home to Cordova, Alaska, Doug Phillips on Richter by Rickroy Products powered by Dessa Racing. In freestyle 800 class full of old school maneuvers, third finish Mike Lima from Valencia, California on Kawasaki 550. Second finish Dean Giles from San Diego, California on Square Nose Yamaha Superjet. And the winner in freestyle 800 was crowned Michael DeMaro from Rancho Cucamonga, California on Yamaha Superjet. Third in freestyle 900 class finished Michael Buakwa from Bakersfield, California on DVX by Team Extreme powered by TPE. Second finish Zachary Zylstra from Valley Spring, California on his Phantom by California Freestyle powered by Engine Tech. And on first place in freestyle 900 finished Brad Turnblom from Martinez, California, also on Phantom by California Freestyle and also powered by Engine Tech. Veteran freestyle class saw a battle of two longtime competitors and icons of freestyle sport. Second finished Derek Chemnitz Sr. from Oakley, California on Eclipse by Hurricane Industries powered by TPE. Win took home to Sandston, Virginia, Phil Clements competing on Helium by Team Extreme powered by TPE. In freestyle 1200 class, third finished Tanner Thomas from Ketchikan, Alaska on Richter by Rickroy Products powered by Dessa Racing. Second finish Eli Chemnitz from Oakley, California competing on Eclipse by Hurricane Industries powered by Boone Freestyle. And the winner was crowned Mark Gomez from Fullerton, California competing on Richter by Rickroy Products powered by Dessa Racing. Apart from regular 2 minutes freestyle competition, every FPWCA organized event also includes best trick competition. And the one in Lake Havasu City, Arizona is the crowd's favorite for many reasons. One of them being It Happens After Dark. Hydroturf Best Trick Beginner Freestyle won Doc Phillips. Hydroturf Best Trick Freestyle 800 won Michael DeMaro. Win in Hydroturf Best Trick Freestyle 900 took home Brad Turnblom. And Hydroturf Best Trick Freestyle 1200 won Keith Jacks. We are looking forward to see all freestyle fans and competitors back under the London Bridge in Lake Havasu City, Arizona for the fall round of 2019 P1 Racing Fuels US Freestyle Championship on September 28th. For more info, check out www.pwcfreestyleusa.com.